Vanakkam. Good morning to all. Happy Independence to all of you. Connecting from Chennai, SOA Children's Village, Chatnath Homes, Tambaram. We have with us Sri Gopal Krishna Gandhi. He is with us.
Happy Independence Day.
Yeah. Sir, on behalf of the
Happy Independence Day.
and SOA Children's Villages in India, we are very happy that you have agreed to talk to our children and mothers and co-workers. And thank you very much, sir, for this. We have with us one of our mothers, Srimati Raja Parameshwari, who would like to talk a few words.
வணக்கம் ஐயா சுதந்திர தின வாழ்த்துக்கள். என் பேர் ராஜ பரமேஸ்வரி. நான் இந்த சென்னை SOS வில்லேஜ் 18 வருடங்களாக SOS குழந்தைகள் கிராமத்தில் SOS அன்னையராக குழந்தைகள் பராமரிக்கும் பணியில் ஈடுபட்டுள்ளேன். நாங்கள் அனைவரும் உங்கள் உரையை கேட்க மிக்க ஆவலாக உள்ளோம் ஐயா.
Please mute all your microphones and please listen to the speech, special speech on this 75th Independence Day. Thank you, sir. Now it's over to you, sir. Now you can start, sir. So you can start.
So I want to greet all of you gathered on this wonderful anniversary of our independence. I am seeing students, children from the SOS Chatnath schools and homes from Kochi, Pondicherry, Jammu, Pune, Nagai, Rajpura, so many places from all over India. So the whole of India is on this screen. So I extend to all of you my greetings on our Independence Day. நான் வந்து சென்னையில இருக்கிறேன். I am in Chennai. நீங்க எல்லாரும் பல ஊர்கள்ல இருக்கிறீர்கள். You are all in many places. उत्तर भारत में है कुछ, पश्चिम में है, पूर्व में है, दक्षिण में है. और हम सब एक हैं. हिंदुस्तान की प्रजा, भारत की जनता आज सब मिलकर together we are celebrating our Independence Day. All of you have been born in independent India. You have all been born in freedom. But there were many years when India was not free, when it was under British rule. But India wanted to be free from others ruling us. He said, India can govern itself. बाहर के कोई लोग आकर हमारे ऊपर शासन करें, that is not right. And so a big struggle was launched by many people, women and men together, young and old, from all over India. They launched a great struggle for freedom. Many people women and men died in the course of that struggle. They sacrificed their lives. They were patriots, they were martyrs. Then the struggle for freedom took a new route, a new line, a new way of ahimsa and satyagraha under Mahatma Gandhi. And for nearly 30 years, that struggle went on from all over India. And people went to jail for doing satyagraha. I don't know if you can hear me well. Can you hear me? आप मुझे सुन सकते हैं? हाँ, सुन रहे हो? क्या कर रहा? I just want to know that.
We can hear you, sir.
I'm glad to know that. So that struggle went on for some 30 years and more. Of course, it had started even earlier in 1857 with the great First War of Independence. When Rani Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi died fighting for freedom, and Begum Hazrat Mahal of Awadh had to leave India after starting a struggle in Awadh. Today we are celebrating the achievement of our independence. We are celebrating the culmination, the conclusion, the accomplishment, the triumph of that struggle. The main aim of the struggle was to end British rule. But along with that, उसके साथ एक और उद्देश्य भी था. It was not just freedom from the British, but it was freedom from our own defects. हमारी खुद की कमियां, हमारी कमजोरियां. हम मुक्ति केवल अंग्रेजी शासकों से नहीं, हम अपने खुद के दोषों से भी मुक्ति चाहते थे. Independence from British மட்டுமில்லை. We are celebrating independence from our own prejudices, our own weaknesses. நீங்க பாருங்க, பல ஊர்களிலிருந்து நீங்க வந்திருக்கிறீர்கள். You're from many places, many religions. இந்த பல குழந்தைகள் இந்து மதத்திலே சேர்ந்தவர்கள், பல கிறிஸ்துவ மதத்திலே சேர்ந்தவர்கள். कुछ हिंदू हैं, कुछ मुस्लिम हैं, शायद कुछ क्रिश्चियन हैं, सिख हैं, और भी मजहब के हैं. लेकिन आप सबों के बीच में एक एकता है. आप सब बच्चे हैं. आप सबकी जो कठिनाइयां हैं, जो मुश्किलें हैं, वो सब आपको एक बना देती हैं. You have all come from different situations. Some of you have suffered on account of poverty, but all of you have been embraced by the SOS homes, given love and care, and given an ability to look for the future with great pride and hope. The most important thing for us today is to have hope and to have confidence, and not to have any narrow ideas, not to have any prejudices. जिस करके जो अंग्रेजी शब्द है, बड़ा शब्द है, prejudice. Prejudice यानी पहले से हमें किसी और के प्रति against somebody feeling of suspicion, distrust, intolerance. वो बहुत ही खतरनाक चीज है. किसी और के लिए हमें शक, संदेह, doubts, suspicions, mistrust, and then unable to live with them, to move with them, is a sign of intolerance. And intolerance is a very great weakness. Agar hame intolerance ho, if we have no tolerance for each other, then we will be constantly under tension. We will be constantly under a sense of fear and a sense of our own weakness. We must trust people. We must love people, because in our country, there is so much variety. If you look at yourselves, if I see this screen, I see such different backgrounds of people from so many language groups, from so many religious groups, from so many parts of India.
Sorry, you are unmute yourself.
Sir, you are mute. Hello?
Voice is not coming.
I don't know when I got muted, but I don't know if you lost me, but I was clear. Now I think I'm back. Am I clear and audible again?
Yes,
Am I
sir.
again
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All
can
right.
hear you.
I was clear and suddenly I became muted. Now I am unmuted again. I hope I can be heard. If you have lost something that I said, it does not matter. I can always repeat myself. So I was saying that faith and trust in each other, love and confidence in each other is very important. Otherwise, we will not be able to. This has so many differences. Now, I just want to tell you one thing. You've heard of the word tolerance. It's a big word. I also spoke of the word prejudice. That's also a big word. English words, tolerance, prejudice. Tolerance does not mean just putting up with something. We have to put up with a lot, like, say, for instance, noise. We have to put up with heat in the summer, with cold in the winter. That is tolerance of a kind. But tolerance that I'm talking about, mutual tolerance, is not just about putting up with something. हमें एक दूसरे के साथ अगर रहना है, तो हमें एक दूसरे पर विश्वास करना है. एक दूसरे के लिए हमें आदर होना चाहिए. हमें एक दूसरे के लिए विश्वास अगर करना हो, तो हमें उनके प्रति आदर होना चाहिए. We have to respect the other person, not just tolerate, but respect the other person. And how do we respect the other person? We respect differences. We respect differences. You're all listening to the screen. I'm so touched by the way you're listening to the screen. You are not just listening to somebody speaking to you in English from another faraway city, but you are listening to one of yourselves. हम, आप और हम इस Zoom मीटिंग में एक हो गए हैं, एक साथ हम विचार कर रहे हैं. So tolerance जो होती है हमारे देश में, एक दूसरे के प्रति सहिष्णुता, सहनशीलता. தமிழில் சொல்வார்கள் சகிக்க தெரியணும், சகிக்க தெரியணும். ஆனா சகிக்க தெரியணும்னு சொன்னா, it is not just tolerating, it is respecting. ஒரு மரியாதை இருக்கணும். வித்தியாசமா யாராவது வந்தா அவரை பத்தி சந்தேகப்படக்கூடாது. You should not suspect somebody who is just different because she or he comes from a different religion or speaks a different language. You should trust them. So tolerance is not just about putting up with, but trusting and respecting and becoming one with the other. Just as now we have become one with the other. But there is something else I want to tell you. हम tolerance न शुरू में जो सहिष्णुता के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, बर्दाश्त करना is not just about believing, trusting, but respecting. There's something more. we have to also be very clear in our minds that some things are not to be tolerated. Tolerance is very important for us if we are to live together. But there is something which we cannot tolerate. We cannot tolerate violence. हिंसा को हम tolerate नहीं कर सकते हैं. We cannot tolerate injustice. अन्याय को हम tolerate नहीं कर सकते हैं. Injustice against women, injustice against children, cruelty to animals. इन सब को हम tolerate नहीं करना चाहिए. हमें हिंसा को बर्दाश्त नहीं करना चाहिए. ये बहुत जरूरी है. अन्याय को हमें बर्दाश्त नहीं करना चाहिए. We cannot tolerate injustice. आज हमारे स्वतंत्रता दिवस में हमें याद करना चाहिए गांधी जी को, बाबा साहेब आम्बेडकर को, पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू को, पेरियार ईवी रामास्वामी को, जिन्होंने सबने जाति भेद को टॉलरेट नहीं किया. They did not tolerate the injustices of our caste system. You are small. You don't even know what caste is. I hope you never experience the injustice of caste. But in India, there is such a thing called caste, jati bhed. So हमारे संविधान, our constitution has made a very, there used to be something called untouchability, छुआछूत. The constitution said we will not tolerate untouchability. It has abolished untouchability. Tolerance of people means love and respect. Intolerance of violence or intolerance of hatred is also very important. हम जब किसी को देखते हैं तो प्रेम से देखें, और अगर हम किसी को नफरत से देखें, if we look at anybody with hatred, that is wrong. We should not tolerate hatred. Hatred leads to violence. तो ये आप याद रखिएगा, हिंसा और अन्याय इनको टॉलरेट नहीं करना है. हमें टॉलरेट करना है फर्कों को, differences. We have to tolerate, and not just tolerate but respect differences, so that we become a garland of different flowers. हिंदी में एक गाना था, बेला गुलाब जूही चंपा चमेली. Different flowers, they've all become one garland in India. We have different songs, different languages, singing the same emotion together. Our national anthem, Jana Gana Mana, written by Tagore, Rabindranath Tagore, is about Jana, which means people. आपको मैं दो शब्द बताता हूँ आज हिंदी में, तमिल में ना चल रहे. नेशनल एंथम इरके राष्ट्रीय गीत नाट्य जन गण मन नवर्द ஆரம்பத்தில் முதல் வார்த்தைகள் ஜன கண மன. ஜன என்றால் ஜன means people. Gana also means people, but Jana means individuals. You and I, we are Jana. Gana means all of us together, and Mana means Manas. Mana का मतलब है मनस. तो आपका और मेरा मन, मेरा और आपका दिल, और हम एक मन, ये हिंदुस्तान है. हम एक हैं. हम एक दूसरे को पहचानते हैं by name, by individuals. We recognize each other. But we are also a large community of many religions and many languages and many regions. कुछ हिमालय के हैं, some from the north in the Himalayas, some from the south near the rivers, near the ocean, some on the coast, जो कि मछुआरे हैं, जो कि किसान हैं, जो कि मजदूर हैं, फिर जो शहरों में है, नगरों में है. But we are all one. We are all now in freedom because of the great sacrifices made by our freedom fighters. But हमारा जन आप और मैं और हमारा गण, हम सब लोग मिलकर, इंडिविजुअल एंड टुगेदर, हमारा मन क्या कहता है? हमारा मन कहता है भारत की तरक्की होनी चाहिए. India has to progress. India has to develop from poverty to justice. We have to become a just country. We may become a rich country. We may become a powerful country. But more than anything else, we have to be a just country. हम न्यायपूर्ण होना चाहिए. We have to be free from hatred, free from anger, free from violence. We must not tolerate hatred, anger, and violence. And so we must have not just tolerance, and we must have also no space in our minds for suspicion. आज इस पुण्य दिवस पर, on this sacred day, we have to take a pledge in our minds, not necessarily standing up and saying it, but to take a pledge in our mind, to be good Indian citizens, to be responsible Indian citizens, to work for friendliness and friendship and peace with all the world, with our neighbors and others, through trust and goodwill, and not having any hatred in our minds, no suspicion. If you see somebody hating you, tell that person she or he is wrong. If you see somebody being unjust to a woman, to a child, to an animal, intervene and say, stop that. But say it non-violently. Say it strongly, but no violence. Nothing rude or angry should escape your minds, should escape your mouths. I see you with great hope for our future. I see you with pride. SOS villages, SOS schools, SOS homes are symbols of hope. आप सबको मैं मेरा धन्यवाद देता हूँ. आप सबको मैं मेरा आशीर्वाद देता हूँ और आप सबको मैं बधाई देता हूँ. I congratulate you. என்னோட நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள் எல்லாருக்கும்.
உங்களுக்கு எங்களுடைய சுதந்திர தின நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள் சார்.
Thank you. எல்லாரும் என்னோட சொல்லுங்க. எல்லாரும் என்னோட சொல்லுங்க. ஜெய் ஹிந்த்.
வந்தே மாதரம் சார்.
எல்லாரும் சொல்லுங்க. ஜெய் ஹிந்த்.
Jai Hind.
ஜெய் ஹிந்த். ஜெய் ஹிந்த். எனக்கு சரியா கேட்கவில்லை. இன்னொரு தடவை சொல்லுங்க. एक साथ सब कहिए, जोर से कहिए. जय हिंद.
Jai Hind.
चेन्नई की चैत्रिका होम है.
கொஞ்சம் மட்டும் காமிக்கிறாங்க. Flag Day.
டைப் பண்ண சொல்றாங்களா? என்ன பண்ணுது? ஹாப்பி